Robbie Strebsky with RJ Homes and EXP Realty here, and today I'm excited to showcase another wonderful listing. This time we're in the Hampton. Right here behind me is this beautiful duplex, 2-story, full basement, double detached garage, an oversized double detached garage. Speaking of oversized, it's an oversized pie-shaped lot as well. You'll see there's plenty of parking back there. Now let's go in and have a look. Welcome indoors. Boy, so beautiful out there. That word days. Spring's here. Speaking of spring, this home was totally clean top to bottom. We've got all the nicks and whatever normal scratches you get from regular wear and tear all gone. You'll notice that all the walls have been nicely painted. Well, welcome indoors. Boy, spring's here. Gotta love that sunshine. Speaking of sunshine, you can see there's tons of natural light coming in through these large windows. This property is ready for you to take possession. Everything's good to go. We've got it all completely clean. Even the nicks and scratches that you would normally see, everything's been touched up and painted. So nothing for you to do, just come in and enjoy. You'll notice the whole main floor has true real hardwood floors. Kitchen. We're talking tons and tons of cupboards, lots of room for your table. Your eating area is all open. This is what you call open concept lifestyle. Go ahead and explore. Okay, so now that you've seen the whole main floor, I guess you probably noticed that there's a 2-piece bathroom conveniently located right at the back entrance. Now, let's go upstairs and explore what's upstairs. That was stupid. Let's say that again. Okay, so now that you've had a chance to take a look at the main floor, you probably noticed that there's a 2-piece bathroom completely located.
I shouldn't have put it on our right. It's moving for outside.
There you go. Bloopers on both sides. See, it's not just me that has to make multiple takes. There you go. I love it. I don't feel so bad anymore. Take 3, 4, 3. So now that you've had a chance to take a look at the main floor, you probably noticed that there is a 2-piece bathroom conveniently located right at the back entrance. Perfect for when you're out there doing. Come on up, let's go check it out. So, I've got a surprise for you. Come on, let's go check out this bedroom. So this is at the rear of the home. Very, very spacious bedroom. Plenty of room for king-size furniture and then some. You've got a full walk-in closet and, come check this out, a full ensuite with bathtub. Go ahead and explore. So now that you've seen this bedroom up here, you probably have also noticed that there's a great view of the backyard, just how large it really is. Got a surprise for you. Come with me. Now, if you thought that bedroom was large, check out the space in here. That's right, you have a second, basically primary bedroom. This particular duplex or something, I don't even know what to call this place. Let's try that again. Okay, so now that you've had a chance to explore this rear bedroom, you probably noticed through that back window that there was plenty of space in that backyard. Now, if you thought that rear bedroom was large, check out the size of this bedroom. It's even bigger. Go ahead and explore. more to see. Come on with me. Check out the space in this basement. So we're just awaiting your development ideas, but check it out. New laundry pair, furnace and hot water tanks centrally located, and you know what this is? Air conditioning, that's right, it's got central air conditioning roughed in for a bathroom right there, so you can see that there's already a floor plan in mind. Bathroom, bedroom where the window is, and all this could be family room. Go ahead and explore. This is good to show them stuff I do for my clients, right? Here, I don't want to screw up the shots that way, so they can just do it on the editing. What do you think so far? Welcome outdoors. Look at the size of this deck. Plenty of space for your barbecue, all your seating, easy access to the garage. Speaking of space, look at the size of this yard. It's massive. And plenty of space out in the backyard with what in the heck is that? Well, what do you think so far? Beautiful place, isn't it? Why?
They've got my buyback on this.
Yeah. Sounds like a cow.
Show them somewhere else in the yard, maybe.
Yeah, this is gonna drive me crazy. That's somewhere else. So, what did you think? Isn't this just a great property? Speaking of property, look at the size of this yard and the size of the deck. Plenty of space for everybody, especially when you're out here entertaining, whether you have kids or large family, friends, gatherings. Fantastic. Speaking of entertaining, if somebody, one more time, I can do it this time. Crazy. So, what did you think? Isn't this just a beautiful property? Speaking of property, look at the size of this backyard. High-shaped lot, plenty of space. Look at the space over on that deck as well. Speaking of space, if you're entertaining and your guests need a place to park, there's plenty of it in the back beside the garage. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our number and our website is down below. And thank you very much for watching the video all the way to the end. Now remember to subscribe and like, and always share the video. You never know, this might be the perfect property for one of your friends.